Supermarkets will advertise 3p extra on everything. Tonight at noon, children from happy families will be sent to live in a home. Elephants will tell each other human jokes. America will declare peace on Russia. World War I generals will sell poppies in the streets on November the 11th. The first daffodils of autumn will appear when the leaves fall upwards to the trees. Tonight at noon, pigeons will hunt cats through city backyards. Hitler will tell us to fight on the beaches and on the landing fields. A tunnel full of water will be built under Liverpool. Pigs will be sighted flying information over Woolton, and Nelson will not only get his eye back but his arm as well. White Americans will demonstrate for equal rights in front of the Black House, and the monster has just created Dr. Frankenstein. Girls in bikinis are moonbathing. Folk songs are being sung by real folk. Art galleries are closed to people over 21. Poets get their poems in the top 20. Politicians are elected to insane asylums. There's jobs for everyone, and nobody wants them. In back alleys everywhere, teenage lovers are kissing in broad daylight. In forgotten graveyards everywhere, the dead will quietly